felt this book deserved an update. I've been working on this fabric book for quite a bit, and he has finally had all his bits and pieces added to the cover. Added this closure on it, oh, some random strings in the way. But you can say I'm a sort of magpie. I find things on the ground and I stick them in there, like that little guy. Some of the little goodies, like these little buttons and rings, I found at flea markets and thrift stores. And I'm not really great at sewing, but I keep on adding things in. This is part of an old sheet I had forever, and little bells and stuff. That's off a hat, parts of blue jeans, and little trinkets and stuff. Old dish towel. This is part of a little sewing thing. I don't know what these are, but I added them in there. Parts of my jeans, little wooden beads, and I'm learning to bead. And so every time I try a new technique, I just stick it in here. A little seashell. Don't know exactly how I did that, but I made a little weaving and learning how to couch different things on. That's a random paper clip off the floor, more dish towel. Bits of ribbons. This came off of something I cut up, old washer from the ground. Experimenting with making patch and different kinds of stitches. That's off of some lace. Just cut up these little guys and then stuck them on there. Learning how to do embroidery, and that's off of one of my bras when I cut off the edge of it. I like that, and it's like kind of poppy and stuck in there. More of my jeans and towels. This is just a random towel that I've given to my parrot, and he keeps chewing on it, and so as he destroys it, I just add more bits and pieces. And then a key I used to use a lot in printmaking. If I can get my finger out of the way, you can see it right here. I stick him back in there. Made a kind of non-functional pocket out of this. Oh, I guess I could put some stuff in there. These are little, what do you call them? The little things you stick in, had little legs you pry apart, and they help close up paper. I like them, so I stuck it in. Ribbon, found this on the floor. This is off a patch, and found this little guy, and just put together these and strung him up. He's kind of heavy, so he kind of makes the page flop around. Embroidered these on another piece of jeans, and then I just stuck them on. That's also another pair I tore up. This I found on the floor too, these two things. He was smashed, but I thought he was cool. And then this, I just had some scraps of different things I cut up and tied them together, braided them. I wish I could say I made this butterfly, but I didn't. He was off a bigger piece of tapestry that was undone, and I took it home from a flea market and then cut him out and stitched around him and just placed him on this page. This is not done yet. So that's what I got so far. This is what it looks like on the outside cover. But yeah, it's just random pieces of old jeans and then some upholstery fabric that I found. And I'm excited. I'm going to continue to work on him. He's really hard to put back together. Did not do this buttonhole very well. But overall, I can say I will make another. In fact, I've already begun. Can't say I'm good enough to teach how to do this yet, but if you'd like to check out my latest Coptic stitch video, you can find it right here.